Hello children. Today again we are going to do an interesting activity. Okay, on the on the occasion of Yellow Day, है ना? We are going to celebrate Yellow Day on Monday. And what is the date on Monday? 2/5/25. Okay, so let's start. On 25th January, every year we used to celebrate Yellow Day. What we used to celebrate? Yellow Day on 25th January, children. Okay, remember the date, 25th January, Yellow Day celebration. Okay, so let's start. I have taken one yellow color paper. What is this? This is light yellow color paper, and see what ma'am has done. So beautiful it is looking now. Yes, so today you are also going to do. Now I am putting this aside. Now the things which we are going to take for this activity are black marker or black color. Okay, black color. Okay, now what is this? This is turmeric. What is this? This is turmeric powder. Okay, you take haldi powder, turmeric powder, haldi powder. Okay, and mix it with what? Water and make this consistency. Okay, आप पतला भी नहीं करोगे और गाढ़ा भी नहीं करोगे. ओके, मीडियम कंसिस्टेंसी रहेगी इसकी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ I am taking A4 sheet paper. You will also take A4 sheet paper. Okay, now let's start. This turmeric I am keeping here. I have taken this paper in which I have drawn something with this black sketch. What I have drawn? This is, what is this? This is tree. Tree के जैसा दिख रहा है ना? Yes, the root, stem, branches of tree. Okay, now what we will do? We will do fingerprinting. What we will do? We will do fingerprinting. Okay, now let's start doing fingerprinting. Children, you know now to draw the root, the branches, the stem of tree. I think that you know. If you don't know, don't worry, ma'am will show you to draw. Okay, what you will do? Only you have to draw line, straight line, slipping line, slanting line. Okay, now children, let's start fingerprinting. Okay, in this way, what you will do? In this way, dip your finger in this, the paste of haldi, the paste of turmeric. What you have to do? You have to dip your finger in this way and put in this way. Okay, in this way. Okay children, now which season is coming? Spring season. Okay, आप देखोगे स्प्रिंग सीजन में ट्रीज के जो लीव्स होते हैं ना, वो क्या हो जाते हैं? दे बिकेम yellow color. Okay, in this way put finger printing. Okay, it is looking beautiful. Yes ma'am, it is looking beautiful. Okay, in this way. Okay, now take one rough cloth also. कभी भी कोई भी एक्टिविटी करोगी, टेक वन रफ क्लॉथ. ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू? नाउ अगेन, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज वन स्लैंटिंग लाइन, कर्व टाइप ना, सॉरी नॉट स्लैंटिंग लाइन, इट इज कर्व. देखो ये कर्व है. इन दिस वे ड्रॉ टू कर्व्स एंड व्हाट वी विल डू? अगेन फिंगर प्रिंटिंग. वी विल मेक वन फ्लावर हियर in this way. All of you watch it carefully. In this way. Okay, it is looking like flower. Yes ma'am, say all of you. Yes ma'am, it is looking like flower. Oh my god, looking so beautiful. Okay, again what? मैं अपने हाथों को साफ कर लूँगी. Okay, now I will take my thumb. Which is your thumb? This is your thumb. Now what we will do? We will do some thumb printing. Okay, in this way dip your thumb. Okay, and in this way do here thumb printing in this way. Okay, Now again here. Now see what ma'am is going to make with this thumb printing. Okay. In this way we have what? We have done thumb printing. Also we will make some thumb printing here also. In this way, okay? In this way, children. Okay? देखो, man has made. Okay? Now leave it to dry. इसे सूखने के लिए छोड़ देना. इसमें तुरंत कुछ यूज नहीं करना. इसे हाफ एन आवर छोड़ देना. जैसे मैम ने एक दूसरे पेपर में करके रखा है. देखो, इसे मैम ने धूप में सूखने के लिए छोड़ दिया था. ओके, नाउ दिस शीट इज ड्राइड. ओके, ये सूख गया है. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, ऑल ऑफ यू watch it carefully. I am keeping this paper aside to become dry. Okay, now what I am going to draw, all of you watch carefully. I am taking this black sketch pen. Okay, now I will take one. Wait children, 2 minutes. And in this way now I am going to draw. Okay, देखो, in this way what I will draw, all of you tell me. One straight line, one straight line. In this way, in this way. What is this? Chick. What is this? Chick. देखा है ना, hen के बेबी को देखा है ना. In this way we will देखो, all of you watch it carefully. What ma'am is going to draw? There are many chicks who are going to play some game. Okay, in the garden. Okay, देखे ना. Now what are these things? These are, tell me, what is this? Bee. Wow, so beautiful it is looking now. देखो, it is looking beautiful children. I think it is looking beautiful. In this way, okay? देखा ना, मैम ने कितना सुंदर क्या बना दिया. What? For yellow day, one activity, and you will have to make this activity. Okay, now it is looking beautiful children. Yes ma'am, it is looking beautiful. But if this is chick, then where is the mother? You know where is the mother of this chick? I also don't know. They are crying ना. देखो तो ये रो रहा है क्या? ये रो रहे हैं. खेलते खेलते ये भूल गए थे कि इनकी मम्मी यहाँ नहीं है. अब ये ढूंढ रहे हैं. They are searching their mother. Where is their mother? Let's see where is their mother. Where is their mother? Again we are going to take one A4 sheet paper. Okay. Now what ma'am will do? Ma'am will do palm printing. Palm printing. In this way, ma'am will put what? The print of palm in this way. Okay, in this way. Now put some turmeric mixture with water here. Okay, in this way. In this way. Okay. Now we are searching the mother of those chicks. Okay. Now what you will do? You will take bindi, mummy ki bindi. Okay, in this way you will take the bindi of mummy and you will put here for eyes. Okay, Now with the help of this black color we will make what? The क्या बनाएंगे? चोंच hen की. Okay, in this way and leg. Who is she? She is mother of these chicks. She is mother of these chicks. Now the chicks are very happy. अरे मेरी मम्मा मिल गई मुझे. So children, what we are celebrating today? Yellow day. And what you have to do? You have to do the same what ma'am has done. You have to take these things and you have to make some chicks, garden, bees and hen. Okay, in this way complete this activity, and on Monday we are going to celebrate Yellow Day, 25th January, and you have to show this activity to me. Tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, complete this activity, and on Monday when we are going to take online, we are going to celebrate online Yellow Day, show me these things. Okay, then I will decide that then I will decide जो children अच्छे से बनाए होंगे I am going to give them prizes. Okay children, till then bye bye, take care.